How to get 500,000 free Microsoft Rewards points instantly. Hey everyone, wanna earn 500,000 Microsoft Reward points instantly? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get those points without any hassle. Let's dive in. First, if you haven't already, create an account on Microsoft Rewards by visiting the official website. Sign up using your Microsoft account. You can earn rewards by completing daily tasks like searching on Bing, earning points for activities, and even shopping through the Microsoft Store. But to get those 500,000 points instantly, here's the trick. Look for special offers and promotions. Microsoft occasionally runs special promotions or offers that give a huge number of points for a limited time. So to get those points, you might need to wait for one of those promotions or join a specific event like Microsoft Rewards Challenges. Consider using referral programs, as sometimes you can refer friends or join a specific program that boosts your points instantly. So keep an eye on Microsoft Rewards official updates for opportunities to earn big. If you're an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscriber, you can earn bonus points by linking your account. This might push you toward your goal of 500,000 points. That's all for now on how to earn those points. Keep checking Microsoft Rewards for new offers. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.